The idea: generate engagement with our residential customers of bottles and cylinders, and generate traffic from Facebook to the e-commerce platform. How? While using a real LPG user who has empathy with the final customer. Who? Elba Rodriguez, winner of the first edition of MasterChef Argentina in 2014. She was honored by the president of Bolivia, Evo Morales, for praising the gastronomy of the Altiplano. Elba is the third daughter of a family of Bolivian and humble origin. My passion for cooking showed up when I was a child. She learned to cook at home using bottles of LPG. From MasterChef, I recall the high exigency and self-improvement. She also works as a nurse in a public hospital. Creativity and love are fundamentals while cooking. My essence is simplicity, social sensitivity. I cook simple, generous foods so that anyone can prepare them. Our target. The bottle is used mainly for cooking. The kitchen is the heart of every home, the place where the family meets to share every meal. 80% of our target are women, key decision makers aligned to our target on Facebook. 82% are women and 75% are between 25 and 55 years old. Where we held the action, the choice of the kitchen is key. We held it shooting on a canteen of a kindergarten, who receive as donation-free bottles of LPG. Content. Saga of 5 videos and 5 posts. Each material includes tips about efficient usage of LPG, tasty cooking recipes, even cooking by bottles of LPG.
Hola a todos mis seguidores, hoy vamos a preparar una receta navideña que no puede faltar, pan dulce. Empezamos con el amasado. Sobre la mesada armamos una corona con la harina y en el centro colocamos la manteca pomada, la ralladura de limón, los huevos, la levadura disuelta con el azúcar y la leche, la esencia de vainilla y el agua de azahar. Después amasamos hasta que quede un bollo liso y homogéneo, dejando leudar hasta que duplique su tamaño. Por otra parte, para el armado del pan dulce tomamos la masa leudada y sumamos las frutas secas o frutas abrillantadas o chip de chocolate, lo que más nos guste. Colocamos entonces en el molde y dejamos leudar otra vez. Terminamos pintando con huevo y cocinando en un horno precalentado a 180 grados por 30 minutos hasta que este esté horneado. Finalmente tenemos nuestro pan dulce horneado, delicioso. Vamos a darle un toquecito de color. Glacé y por encima una lluvia bien pero bien generosa. Un poquitín de frutas, ¿por qué no? Espero que les sea súper delicioso. Felices fiestas y buen provecho para todos.